Yes guys, it's Jando. Today I'm going to be showing you how I recreated the bass from Couple Guinness DJ Limited remix. But yeah, let's get straight into it. This is the sound that I've recreated. And yeah, we're going to jump into how I've made it. So we'll load up this fresh Serum patch here. And these are the notes we're working with. G1 and F1. Starting off in Serum, then we're going to do harmonic series on oscillator A, and then we're going to push that up to 5. On oscillator B, we're going to do I has kick, which is a digital. Here, we're going to drop it 1 octave, and then put the wavetable position all the way over to the right. Drop the random on both of the oscillators. We're going to drop both the levels, and then we're going to modulate LFO1 to about 75%. Next we'll make the shape, little down ramp here. We're going to turn trigger on, and then we're going to set the rate to 1.8. Next we're going to do the sub, drop the level all the way down, -1 octave, and then put the LFO onto it at about 75% again. After that we'll do the filter. We're going to do a notch filter here, so we're going to do notch 12, and then we're going to modulate from the LFO again. We're going to set the cutoff to 1200, and then we're going to modulate. I'm going to set this to about 8, and then we're going to do the same with the drive and set the drive to about 25. After that, head over to the FX section and turn on hyper dimension, distortion, the compressor, and a filter. I'm just going to put these next to each other. We're going to turn the mix all the way down on the left, and on the right side we're going to go 15%. And we're going to go about 12 this side. After that, with the distortion, we're going to set this to stomp box. Leave the drive where it is, leave the mix where it is. And then we're going to compress, so we're going to put this at about 6, and then turn on the multiband compressor. Then after compressor, we're going to do the filter, which we're going to set on flanges here, PHS 48+. We're going to set the cutoff to about 60 Hz. That'll do, and then the drive, we're going to set to about 30%. So yeah, the bass should sound like this. So yeah, the main sound's kind of there. So we're going to do a bit of post-processing now. Start off, we're going to do distortion. We're going to put on Camel Crusher, change the preset to British Clean, and then we're going to do Decapitator. And we're going to push this up to about 3. Bring the tone here just slightly to the left, to the dark side. After that, we're going to do some reverb, so we're going to get Pro R here. I'm just going to pull off some of this low end, and bring this all the way down to about 10%, and then this to about 90. Next is the erosion. Just copy these settings here, and then after that is the EQ. We're pushing some of the high mids on this section, and then we're going to pull off the lows here so that we can put a sub underneath the bass. And then after all of that, it should sound like this. Probably pull off a little bit of this. And then yeah, you got the bass from the Couple Guinness DJ Limited remix. It's a pretty basic bass, pretty basic patch. But yeah, sick little sound. I'm going to quickly plug my new Belgium Jumpup sample pack as well. If you haven't checked it out already, it's on my Soundcloud. If you want to go give it a preview, got a bunch of sounds in it, drums, basses, whatever. You can either buy it on my Dubify or just DM me on Instagram. But yeah, nice one.